Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a very hot gist too. If you're a construction worker or aspiring to work in Canada, please gather here. Canada Immigration recently announced a major changes that will transform the way construction workers from all over the world can come and build their future here in Canada. Whether you're already here or you're planning to make the move, there's something big on the horizon. Okay, in today's video, we'll break down the new opportunities for construction workers in Canada, what this means for you, and how you can take advantage of these changes. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and stay tuned for more updates, okay, on Canadian immigration and career tips. So here's the big news. Canada is reserving immigration spaces for up to 6,000 undocumented construction workers already within the country. Yeah, that's right. If you've been working in Canada's construction industry, okay, but you haven't yet gone through the formal immigration process, this could be your chance to get the official document, the documentation, and start your pathway to permanent residency. But wait till it gets even better. Canada is also offering some incredible changes that could make your transition into the country a lot easier, especially if you're already working in the construction field. Change number 1. Immigration spaces for undocumented construction workers. The first major change is the reservation of immigration spaces for up to 6,000 undocumented workers who are already working here in Canada. So if you are an undocumented construction worker in Canada, this change opens the door for you to apply for your permanent residency and officially become part of Canada's workforce. How does that sound? This is huge, okay? It's a clear message from the Canadian government that they recognize the valuable contributions of workers who have been helping, okay, build the country's infrastructure and even their economy. And now these workers will have the opportunity to stay legally and make Canada their home permanently. Interesting. Change number 2. Temporary foreign workers can study in apprenticeship programs without a study permit. Yeah. Okay, how does that sound? In the industry, you now have the ability to study an apprenticeship program without needing a study permit. So if you're already working in Canada, as a temporary foreign worker, this is a game changer for you. Why is this so important? Well, it means that if you want to upgrade your skills or get additional certifications in your trade, you no longer need to apply for a separate study permit. Okay, this is going to make it easier for you to enhance your qualifications, making you more competitive in the job market. Change number 3. Up to 14,000 foreign construction workers to be admitted, okay? Canada is planning to admit up to 14,000 foreign construction workers into the country to meet the massive demand for labor in construction sector. While the government hasn't clarified whether these workers will be admitted under permanent residency pathways or temporary work permits, it's clear that Canada is serious about bringing in skilled workers to fill those gaps. That's interesting. Okay, this is great news. If you're a skilled construction worker looking to migrate to Canada, whether it's on a temporary work permit or looking for a more permanent opportunity, my dears. Now, why is all of this such a big deal? For starters, Canada's construction industry has been facing severe labor shortages for years. With all the infrastructure projects and housing development going on, the demand for skilled workers is at an all-time high, and Canada is stepping up to meet that demand by offering more pathways for foreign workers. It's going to provide faster pathway to permanent residency. Okay, the changes are creating easier and faster pathways for construction workers to settle permanently in Canada. More opportunities to study and upskill. Okay, you'll be able to further your career and increase your earning potentially without the extra paperwork for study permits. A stronger workforce. Okay, Canada looks to admit thousands more skilled workers. There's never been a better time to make your move. You gotta make it now. What's still unclear right now is that, now while all this is exciting, there are still some uncertainties. When will these changes be implemented? Okay, we don't know. The government has not yet released a clear timeline. So what are the eligibility criteria for the permanent residency pathways? We don't know the exact details yet, but we expect more information to come soon. Will the 14,000 foreign workers be admitted through temporary or permanent pathways? That's still very, very unclear. But the government is working. They are working on finalizing these details. Okay? But don't worry. I'll keep you updated as soon as more details comes out. Okay? So just be sure to subscribe. Subscribe and stay informed. Very key, very necessary. How to prepare the oncoming changes. So what can you do? As in, what can you do right now to get ready for these changes? Here is what I think how you can prepare. Check your qualifications. If you're looking to move to Canada or already working in Canada, make sure your skills and certifications are up to date. Number 2, research apprenticeship programs. If you're a temporary foreign worker, take advantage of this new opportunity to study without a study permit. Number 3, stay informed. Subscribe to the channel and keep an eye out for updates. As soon as the government releases more details on these changes, I'll be here to notify you. Okay. Network with employers. Many companies are already looking for skilled construction workers. So get your resume ready and start applying. Being proactive and prepared will help you seize these new opportunities. So once the official pathways are launched, okay, so there you have it, guys. Canada is making big moves to support its construction industry, and that means huge opportunity for skilled workers like you. Whether it's 6,000 undocumented workers getting their chance at permanent residency, or the 14,000 new foreign workers coming to fill the labor shortages, the future is looking bright. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe for all the latest updates on Canada's immigration policies and career opportunities. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or let me know your thoughts, okay, on these new changes. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video with even more updates about working and living in Canada.